To completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit, and then go to Google Services. Once you open Google Services, we're going to switch to all services in here, and then you want to scroll down in order to find Search Assistant and Voice. Now, in here, you want to choose Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, go to Google Assistant. And in fact, if you do use Gemini, then you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google over here. And you need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. So we need to make sure that Google Assistant is our main assistant. And if you already have Google Assistant selected as the main assistant on your phone, then of course you can skip that step. Now, after that, we're going to go to General. And here we can disable Google Assistant over here. Just confirm that you want to do that. And there we go, Google Assistant now and Gemini is completely deactivated. However, I also recommend you to go back to Settings and over here open Advanced Features. Then you want to go to the Site button. Then here we have the long press, and usually the Digital Assistant over here is selected. So you might want to switch either to Bixby if you want to use Bixby instead, or you can just switch it to Power Off menu. So if you press and hold the power button, you will activate the power menu instead. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.